let's make delicious Mahi Mahi coconut curry, guys. My name is Mair, you're watching Mair Hungry YouTube channel. So we are making this delicious Mahi Mahi curry. It's fantastic recipe, easy to make, one pan, one pot recipe. I'm here with all these beautiful ingredients. So we have, look at this, we have a coconut milk, we have a coconut oil, we have mustard seeds, we have salt, we have cumin, we have white pepper powder, we have a tomato sauce, we have some green onion, some curry leaves, Indian curry leaves, some garlic. I have chopped some white onion, we have some spring onions, and we have some green sweet peas. Let's take organic, right? Coconut oil, right? This is all kind of in a solid state, right? So we will add at least 4 tablespoons of oil in here. 1 medium-sized onion, which is diced. And let's add at least 4 cloves of garlic in here. So we will saute our onion at least for 5 to 6 minutes. The stove is on the high flame. You can make this delicious Mahi Mahi curry at home by yourself. As you guys can see, it's Sunday and I'm about to watch a game, so why not to make a dinner? So let's saute this for 5 minutes. In the meantime, we'll prepare our Mahi Mahi. This is wild caught Mahi Mahi. This is boneless and skinless. Look at these fillets, beautiful fillets, right? They are all packed. So we'll cut them from the middle and we'll make 8 slices of those. Slice open these guys. So you can use, chef usually use knife. You can use scissor for it too. Alright, so here it is. Beautiful fillet. It's kind of a delicate. Look at the threads. Yes. It's very delicious fish though. So we have over 4 beautiful fillets right here. So the first thing we will do, we will slice the fillet right in the center, okay? That's what we have to do. So we will be having 8 pieces. I'm done with these cloves. We prepared our Mahi Mahi. We'll add half tablespoon of mustard seeds right in here. We'll take half tablespoon of cumin, half tablespoon of white pepper powder. If you don't have these, you can use bay leaves in there, but I'll suggest you use curry leaves. We'll add at least 5, 6, 7 of those. Delicious, right? So once we add all these dry ingredients and the curry leaves, we will still cook our onions, garlic, all this mixture for another couple minutes. High flame, it's been around 7 minutes. This is our onion and all the ingredients I have showed you guys, they are sauteed, okay? This is coconut milk. You can use coconut cream in there, but strongly suggestion, do my way, use coconut milk. This is 400 ml for this whole can, right? We will add at least 200 ml of this milk. This is condensed. Just once you're using it, make sure you stir the spoon in the can so we get everything. Look at this beautiful coconut milk. We'll take at least 200 grams of tomato paste. Alright, let's give it a mix. You see, it's a thick curry forming up. Wonderful. So yummy, huh? Alright. I have 200 grams of canned sweet peas. They go in here. Once you give it a mix, add 1 whole tablespoon of salt in here, just like that. Give it a mix. Put your stove on to medium to low heat at this time. Yes sir. Grab another glove and grab our fish, Mahi Mahi, and land these pieces just like that on top of it. Beautiful, huh? Once you add all the fish, just like that, you don't have to do nothing, not even stir it. Cover it with the lid. It's on to medium to low heat right now. Let it be like this for 15 minutes, and I'll show you guys how does it look after 15 minutes. Well, my friends, it's been approximately 20 minutes. This has been on to medium to simmer. Okay, wow, look at this. Look at this, beautiful. OMG. If you want to check the fish temperature, some people are like, no, my fish was not undercooked or overcooked. Use thermometer, put it in the fish. It should reach above 145 Fahrenheit. For me, just by the timing, just by the taste, I'm sure it's done. As a chef, I can tell you that. Grab some spring onions, chopped. Add this right on top. A delicious, yummylicious Mahi Mahi coconut fish curry is ready to be served. Guys, look at this. This is how it's gonna look. The texture wise, it has the curry at the bottom with the peas, with all the juices, with all the flavors. Okay, here you go. Okay, in front of you, right in the middle, right from the pan. Look at this fish. Look at this sauce. It has all the ingredients you can think about. Yum, huh? Got a bit of brown rice. This is the Mahi Mahi curry. And what a beauty is this. Look at this. Make this recipe. Literally took 35 to 40 minutes of your time, and you will enjoy this recipe. It's a complete meal. It's a complete healthy meal. Coconut oil, brown rice, Mahi Mahi fish. Yum, man. Let's take a bite. I know you guys have been waiting for it. So from there, it looks so good, I don't want to break it. Alright, so fish, here you go. What a beauty is this. Protein packed, delicious bite. Juicy, you don't need sauces for your rice or anything. Complete meal. Whoa! Subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys on the next one. Check out other videos. I have made so many recipes. I have shared so many recipes. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye for now.